Now half past. So what is half past here? See here, so the minute hand is at 6. In all these clocks, minute hand is at 6. So the long hand, that is minute hand, is at 6. So here also it is at 6, minute hand is at 6. Here also minute hand is at 6. Here also minute hand is at 6. In all these clocks, minute hand is at 6. Means, so if the minute hand is at 6 means half past. Half past. Half past. Here the hour's hand is at 2. Here in between 2 and 3, it means 2. Half past 2. Half past 2. Here the hour's hand is in between 10 and 11. It means half past 10. Here the minute hand is in between 7 and 8. The hour's hand is in between 7 and 8. It means half past 7. Here hour's hand is in between 4 and 5. It means, so half past 4. Half past 4. Here the hour's hand is in between 5 and 6. It means half past 5. Half past 5. Here the minute hand is in between 12 and 1. It means half past 12. Half past 12. Okay. Here first half past 2, or otherwise 2:30. 2:30. In numeral it is 2:30. Okay. Half past 2 or 2:30. So anyone you can take. Anyone, so we can take half past 2 or 2:30. Now here half past 10. Half past the hour's hand is in between 10 and 11, so 10. Half past 10 or 10:30. 10:30. So this is in words, this is in numbers. Here half past 7. Half past 7 or 7:30. 7:30. Here half past 4. Why? This hour's hand is in between 4 and 5. So we have to take 4, smaller one. 4. Half past 4. Half past 4. Half past 4 or 4:30. Here this is half past 5. Half past 5 or 5:30. Okay. Here half past 12. Half past 12. So it is in between 12 and 1. So the first one 12. 12 we have to take. Half past 12. Half past 12 or 12:30. 12:30. This is about half past. How to take half past? First we have to check where the hour's hand, not hour's hand, minute hand. So where the minute's hand? If minute's hand is at 6 means half past. We should take half past. Okay, half past. Then after that hour's hand we have to check. If it is in between 2 and 3, half past 2. If it is in between 10 and 11, half past 10. If it is in between 7 and 8, then half past 7. So in that way we have to write half past. Okay. So now the students, next concept is quarter past. Quarter past. So see here, in the quarter past, quarter means 1/4. 1/4 of the hour. So if 1/4 of the hour is completed, then we can say that that is quarter past. Quarter means 1/4. So 1/4 means 15 minutes. Total 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 1 hour, if 1/4 means 15 minutes is over, that is quarter is completed. Quarter is completed. So if the minute hand is at 3, 15 minutes completed. Here minute's hand is at 3, 3 5s are 15. Here minute's hand is at 3, 3 5s are 15. Here minute's hand is at 3, so 15 minutes completed. Here minute's hand is at 3, so 15 minutes completed. Here minute hand is at 3, 15 minutes completed. So if minute hand is at 3, So then 15 minutes completed. 15 minutes completed means quarter past. 15 minutes past or quarter past. If minute hand is at 6, then half past, that is half past we discussed in previous, then here quarter past. Quarter means if minute hand is at 3, then that is quarter past. Here quarter past 1, the minute hand is near to 1. So quarter past 1. Quarter past 1 or 1:15, 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 15 minutes. Here quarter past 12, quarter past 12 or 12:15, 12:15. Now here quarter past 8. Why? Here arts hand is at 8, so quarter past 8. Quarter past 8 or 8:15, 8:15. Next, here it is at minute hand is at 4, so quarter past 4. Quarter past 4 or 4:15. Next, here quarter past 9. So why? Hours hand is at 9, so minutes hand is at 3. So quarter past 9. Quarter past 9 or 9:15. 9 hours 15 minutes. 9 hours 15 minutes. Here quarter past 10. Why? This minute hand is at 10. So not minute hand, hours hand. Hours hand is at 10. So minute hand is at 3. So quarter past 10. Quarter past 10 or 10:15. 10 hours 15 minutes. Okay. This is about quarter. Quarter means whenever the minute hand is at 15, then quarter past, that is. Okay. Now here quarter 2. See here quarter 2. So how to write here quarter 2? See here, whenever quarter 2 is there, so the minute hand should be at 9. Here in both the clocks the minute hand is at 9. Minute hand is at 9. Here also minute hand is at 9. Here also we have minute hand is at 9. In both this clock minute hand is at 9. So here this is quarter 2. So the minute hand is at 8. Quarter to 9 we have to write. So quarter to 9. After 8, so which number will come, that we have to write. Quarter to 9. Quarter to 9. Quarter to 9 or 8:45. 8:45. Now here it is, the minute hand is at 9, so quarter to. Quarter to, first you write quarter to. Quarter to, here the minute hand is near to 5, so quarter to 5. Quarter to 5 or 4:45. 4:45. Quarter to 45. How much to 45? Quarter to means 15 minutes less to 45. Quarter means 15 minutes less to 5 o'clock. Otherwise 4:45 is also correct. Okay. Now students, here minutes past are minutes to. See here, see in the first clock the hour hand is at 9 and minutes hand is at 1. So first 9 hours and 5 minutes. Here 1 is given, means 5 past, 5 minutes past. 5 minutes past 9. 5 minutes past 9. 5 minutes past 9. 5 minutes past 9. Okay. Here the minute hand is in between 5 and 6, means 5. The minute, this is arts hand is in between 5 and 6, means, and minute hand is at 8 and 2 minutes past. 8 means 40, 40 plus 2 minutes, 42 means 42 minutes past 5, 42 minutes, 42 minutes past 5, 42 minutes past 5, 42 minutes past 5. Okay, see here how first the minute hand is at 8, first you think 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 it is not exact on 8, it is more 2 minutes past means 40 plus 2 minutes, 40 plus 2 42, 42 minutes past 5, it is not at 6, it is crossing this 5 means 5 only we have to take. So, 42 minutes past 5. Okay. Now, here the minutes hand is in between 5 and 6 means it is crossing 5 and this hour's hand, first hour's hand, this is hour's hand, this hour's hand is in between 5 and 6 means it is crossing 5 means 5 hours. So, we have to take 5 hours and the minute hand is at 7, 7 5 is a 35 means 35 minutes past, 35 minutes, 35 minutes past 5, 35 minutes past 5. Next, here the minute hand is at 3, so 3 means whenever it is on 3 minutes hand then quarter, so that we take as quarter past, quarter past 3, quarter past 3 or 15 minutes past, 15 minutes past 3, quarter means 15 minutes, quarter means 15 minutes, quarter past 3 is also correct or 15 minutes past 3 is also correct. Okay. Now, see here students, write the correct time in the numerals and in words. In words as well as in numerals we have to write. See here, so here the minute hand is at 12 and hour's hand is at 3 means this is 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. In words 3 o'clock. Okay. Now, here in the second clock the minutes hand is at 6 and hours hand is in between 10 and 11, it means 10 hours, 10 hours, the minutes hand is at 6 means 6 5s are 30, 10 hours 30 minutes, it is half past 10, half past 10, half past 10. Now, here also the minute hand is at 6 and hour's hand is in between 4 and 5, it means 4, 4 30, 6 5s are 30. So, it means half past 4, half past 4. Now, here also minute hand is at 6 and hour's hand is in between 5 and 6 means 5:30, 5 hours 30 minutes, that means half past 5, half past 5. Okay. Already we discussed half past. What is half past? Whenever the minute hand is at 6, that is half past. Okay. As students, see here more measurements of time. So, all this you should remember. So, first one day is equal to 24 hours. This we discuss. One day is equal to 24 hours. It means 24 hours make a day. 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds, 1 minute 60 seconds. Then 1 week is equal to 7 days. In 1 week we have 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Total 7 days in a week. Then in 1 month we have 30 and 31 days. In some months we have 30 days, in some months we have 31 days. Now 1 year is equal to 365 days. 365 days is 1 year. In leap year we have one more extra day, that is 366 days in leap year. 1 year in months means 12 months. 12 months make 1 year, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months make 1 year. So 1 year, in 1 year we have 52 weeks. Total how many weeks? 1 year have 52 weeks. This is about our more measurements of time. Here some measurements are given, so we have to convert into, so require whatever is he is asking. First 5 hours we have to convert in minutes. How to convert 5 hours into minutes? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 5 hours means 3 hours means 3 into 60. So we have to multiply with 60. Then 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 180 minutes. So we have to multiply with 60, then you will get in minutes. Then 45 minutes we have to convert into seconds. Then how to convert into seconds? So these minutes we have to multiply with 60. Why? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 45 minutes, how many seconds means? 45 multiply with 60. 0 5 are 0, 0 4 are 0. Again 6 5 are 33. 6 4 are 24, 25, 26, 27. 0 0 7 2. 2700 seconds. So 45 minutes is equal to 2700 seconds. Now 4 weeks. These weeks we have to convert into days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Then 2 weeks means 2 we have to multiply with 7. 2 weeks how many days? 2 sevens are 14 days. With unit we have to multiply. So 1 week is 7 days, then 2 weeks means 2 into 7. Then you will get number of days in 2 weeks. Now 3 days. So these days we have to convert into hours. In 3 days, how many hours make 3 days? How many hours make 3 days? First unit, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 3 days is 3 into 24, means 24 multiply with 3. Then 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 72 hours. 72 hours is nothing but 3 days. 3 days is equal to 72 hours. Now 5 months, how many days? So here you take 1 month as 30 days. Okay, 1 month as 30 days, don't take 31 days, you consider here 30 days. Then 30 into 5, multiply 30 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15, 15 days. 150 days, 150 days. With unit quantity we have to multiply. So then you will get the total how many hours, how many days, how many weeks, how many months. So that you will get according to the given quantity. Okay. Now here, so in exercise 2, convert the following. So 3 hours 20 minutes we have to convert into minutes. First here 3 hours. So how to convert hours into minutes? 3 into 60. So 3 into 60, why we are multiplying with 60? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 hour means 3 into 60. And again here plus 2, plus 20, that we have to add. So now 3 6 is 18, 180 plus 20. 180 plus 20, that is 200 minutes. Okay, 3 hours 20 minutes means 200 minutes. Now 2 weeks into days. 2 week means 1 week is equal to 7 days. 2 weeks means 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14 days. 2 weeks is equal to 14 days. Now 4 months 2 days. 1 month we have to take 30 days. Here you take 30 days. Okay. So 4 into 30. 1 month means 30 days. 4 months means 4 into 30. 4 is 12. 120 days. 120 days. Now 6 months 6 days. 6 months means first 6 into 30. 1 month is 30, and after that plus 6 days. So 6 into 30, 180 plus 6, which is 186 days. 6 months 6 days means 186 days. 186 days. Okay. Now in the second one, change 3 days 9 hours into hours. Here 3 days, 1 day is equal to 24 hour. 3 days means 3 into 24. 3 into 24 plus this 9 hours. 3 24s are 3 4s are 12, 3 6 7, 72 hours plus 9, 72 plus 9 81 hours, 81 hours. 3 days 9 hours, the total is 81 hours, 81 hours. Next, 2 hours 15 minutes, 2 hours means 2 into 60, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, we have to multiply with 60, 2 into 60 and this 15 minutes we have to add. 2 60 is 120 plus 15, so that is 135 minutes, 135 minutes. Then 5 months to weeks. So in 5 months how many weeks are there? How many weeks are there? In 1 month we have 4 weeks. So first we have to convert days. 5 into in 1 month 30 days. So that is 150 days. In 1 month 150 days. So total 150 days. Now this total days we have to convert into weeks. How to convert this 150? So we have to divide with 7. Why? Because in a week we have 7 days. 7 2s are 14 and 1 is left 0. 7 1s are 7 and 3 left. That means 21 weeks. 21 approximate we have 21 weeks and 3 days left. Now 5 minutes 5 seconds into seconds. 5 minutes is equal to how many seconds? 5 into 60, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, and after that 5 seconds we have to add. 5 60s are 300 plus 5, 305 seconds. 305 seconds make 5 minutes 5 seconds. Okay. Now here in third question, fill in the blanks. 1 year is equal to how many days? 1 year is equal to, we know, 365 days make one year. 365 days. Here in the second question, 5 weeks 3 days, how many days total? 5 weeks means we have to multiply 5 with 7. 7 5 is a 35, 35 plus 3, 36, 37, 38, 38 days. So we have to multiply weeks with 7, because 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 5 weeks means 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3, 38 days. Now here 3 quarters. Quarter means 15 minutes. 3 quarters means 15 plus 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45. 45 minutes. 3 quarters means 45 minutes. 45 minutes. 6 months, how many weeks? So 6 months, first we have to multiply with 30. 6 3s are 18, 180 days. In 180 days, how many weeks are there? It means we have to divide 180 with 7. 180 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14, 4 left, then 0. 7 5s are 35 and 5 left. It is approximate 25 weeks, 5 days. He is asking only weeks, 25 weeks. 25 weeks. Okay, students.